Good morning. Here is me hiding behind the trees. I got jokes because I'm happy as anyway, you guys, don't mind the way I'm looking. I'm trying to undo my hair because I'm going home. I've just decided to go home, like out of nowhere. I suddenly miss my parents, I miss my home, and I'm going home. I don't know what's going to happen to the update of the house. My hubby would have done some videos for me, but he goes to work like every day, so unless it's Saturday, he can't take any videos. So yeah, I think this is going to be like the last update of the house, and it's going to take a whole week before I come back. So in a week's time, I don't know if we will have reached roofing, but I also don't think there's anything important in the update, because now if they start building, it will basically be going up. Like there will be nothing new. Anyway, let me show you guys around. Very weird angles, but I have short hands. I have really short hands, so yeah, weird angles. Dun, 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 dun. I'm excited. I'm excited, but I think I'm more excited because I'm going home. What? The last time I went home was last year, August. That's when I had just found out I was pregnant and I wanted my mommy. Oh, Jesus Christ. I think sometimes the child in me just comes out. Anywho, let me start explaining. I don't know if you can see. So this first room is a bedroom. The next is a toilet. The other one is a bedroom. Farthest corner, that's another bedroom. And then after the bedroom, going what? I'm bad with directions. Anyway, after that bedroom, whatever you're seeing is my bathroom, and then after the bathroom we have a closet, and then we have the master bedroom, and then we come back to my sitting room, we go to the dining, and then we come to the kitchen, and then we come to the pantry, and then we come to another toilet. Right. So what is happening here is they are laying the hexagons. I told you my hubby wanted some hexagons in the living room, so they are really taking up time. These things we thought they were going to be done yesterday, but the hexagons are kind of challenging because mostly this is the first time the fundis and the architect are doing these hexagons, so of course they have to they don't have experience in the area of the hexagons, but they have experience in building, right, in construction. So they have to make sure it goes perfectly. And we all know, if you haven't done anything, like if you're doing something for the first time, it's going to take a lot of time, because it's kind of trial and error until you get the correct thing you want. So that's why it's taking a lot of time, but they're getting it. And that's my hobby, making sure everything goes the way it's supposed to go. So yeah, enough talking. Let me show you some clips while they were laying the stones and putting the string and everything. Yeah.
Samjo.
So this is me signing out, guys. I was hoping that by the time I sign out, they would have done the inside stones so that you can see what the house is going to look like. But unfortunately, this is what they have done. It's already 5. I'm going home and I won't be coming back because that's the only area they're going to cover, and on the outside. And then they also close their work. So unfortunately, there'll be no videos from tomorrow. I'm laughing because when I say tomorrow, it will be a different day from when I'll be posting. Like, it's not like I'm posting today or anything. But anyway, by the time I come to update, they will probably have reached like the top. They will be preparing to do some roofing, I think, and I also hope. So thank you for hanging around, and thank you for all the support you've been giving us. I love you guys. Thank you so much, and I'm mostly excited that we are able to do this. I thank God. I thank my hubby for working so hard for us, and I'm also excited because I'm going home. I really need to see my parents. So see you when I come back. Yeah, I've just noticed it was really noisy. It's because of that lorry. It has brought in more stones, so you'll have to bear with me. But ciao.